Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error invalid drive error code 15 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Such type of message appear, the system cannot find the drive specified. And if you are also facing such type of error code with messages, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator and in command prompt Windows execute the command sfc slash scan now and press enter. It will scan your system. Beginning system scans. Beginning verification phase of system scan. Verification 4% complete, 5%. Wait till 100% verification complete. And once successfully execution of sfc scan now command, restart your system and check whether your error code 15 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings page, go to privacy and security, click on it. From the right side, choose Windows security and here click on virus and threat protection. Windows security page will open. Here scroll down and you will find the option scan options. Click on it. Thereafter here you will find 4 options. Here choose full scan and click on scan now and let the window complete the scanning process. It will scan full scan your system, and after that check whether your error code 15 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to Windows update and from the right side click on check for updates or any pending Windows update action pending, then fulfill them, or any update available, download and install it. Update your Windows system. The next workaround to fix this error code is go to Windows search and again type cmd and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Command prompt Windows will now open. Here execute the command chkdsk. This command will scan your drive. Here you can easily replace this C drive with your drive letter DEF, any your drive letter. Replace C with your drive letter, otherwise C, and press enter. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup. Select the drive you want to clean up. Choose the drive where your program and program files exist. Basically, it's C drive. Click on OK. A new window will open. Here, files to delete. Make the check against all these options: recycle bin, downloaded program files, temporary files, thumbnails, and click on OK from the bottom of the page. A pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files. And after that, restart your system. Your problem error code 15 definitely be resolved. That's all.